Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus with your Apple Pay. It's very simple thing to do. For this, first you have to know what is Exodus.com. Exodus.com is a cryptocurrency wallet platform that allows users to securely store, manage, and swap various cryptocurrencies and digital assets across multiple platforms, including desktop, mobile, and Web3 wallets. So, how you can buy Bitcoin on Exodus with your Apple Pay? First, open your Exodus app and log in with your credentials. After logging, you will see this page. Then from here, select buy options. Then select enter Apple Card, Apple Pay. From here, and then from here enter the amount how much you want to buy Bitcoin. Then select a provider. Then you will see how much you will get. Then tap on proceed and you need to verify your email ID. So that's it. That's how you can buy crypto on Exodus with your Apple Pay. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like. Thank you for watching.